Hey guys, it's Brad here at Tooltex Auto Repair. Glad to see you again. Today we're working on a 1965 Ford Mustang 289 motor. Let me carry you over to that. And today we're using a ridge reamer. It's got a slight little bit of ridge at the top of the piston travel. This one, I've knocked the ridge down and I'm in the process of homing it. This is one that's, I've not homed, but I've already knocked the ridge down. That's the wear. It's not bad at all. It just has a slight little, this is the one that hasn't been done at all. But a ridge reamer, it looks like this. It says made by Lyle. You know, it's American made, USA made. You fit into the hole. These ridges fit on top of the block, and in the center it pushes them out, and then you turn it and you knock that ridge off, and then you can go in with a hone and you can hone out the cylinder walls, make them real nice. I got one little spot here I got to hit a couple of times, but it looks pretty good. You can tell what these look like and everything. And hopefully I'll get the cylinder head done here in a few hours, and we'll get this motor back together for the customer and get them on their way. Hope y'all have a good day. Bye.